Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just stumbling on this channel, you are most welcome. And if you're a returning subby, welcome. I can always thank you enough. Today we are going to be having this no eyeshadow look. It's basically for people who are struggling with their eyeshadow, and I'm sure you're really going to like it because it's very subtle. It has to do with skin glow and all the good stuff. So please subscribe, please like, please please subscribe, please like, please give this video a thumbs up. I love you, and let's get right into the tutorial. Guys, so with this particular eye look, you want to use your actual shade of concealer and you want to place everything on your lid.
What I did, you ain't gotta run the amount. So run the amount. Baby, I say run the amount.
You want to immediately set it with a powder. We don't want no creasing at all.
So run the amount. Baby, I say run the amount. Let me know how you really feel. So run the amount. You know I got a special spot to help you remember me. And every time.
And then we'll move over to the foundation. I'm using Black Up and MAC like this right now. I'm loving both. I don't know, the coverage is insane, Lord. So you want to blend everything and move over to the highlight.
Everybody gets to see, yeah. And every time we leave this spot, you know I get to see, yeah. But tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. See a different love and I may not boast. Me, I keep on dodging them in my post. I don't even mind your number two. Tell me what you want, I want it too. But if you wanna go, I understand why. I could never be the number one guy. I don't even mind a number two. Tell me what you want, I want it too. You know I got a special spot to help you remember me. And every time you leave this spot, you know I get to see.
After the highlights, we're going to be structuring our face and we're going to be just contouring. This is a very basic makeup look and I really hope you can pull this off. It's very basic, very basic.
She's bright like electric bulb, so everybody gets to see, yeah. And every time we leave this spot, you know I get to see, yeah. But tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me.
Just blend, 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 blend.
With me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go.
And now after the contour, we just want to set our highlights and our contour. So I'm going to be using the Ben Eye powder in banana to set my highlights, and I'm going to be using the sleek medium contour kits in dark to set my contour.
All the way with me, all the way with me. But tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money who live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Oh.
So I'm just going to dust off the rest of my face with my actual powder. Then I'm going to go back to my blush. Then I'm going to just spray my face because I have so much powder on my face. I just want to keep my face hydrated. And remember, this is a natural look. We want to just keep everything natural and we just want skin going on. So after that, I'm just going to go over to my lips. And honestly, that is it, guys. Like, this is just basic.
With me tonight, just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight, just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight, just go all the way with me, all the way with me. But tonight, you can call my.
And don't forget the glow. Glow, baby, glow, baby, glow.
You live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. Say tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight I represent the guy with the money. You live fast, but still, baby, don't die young. So tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me. Tonight just go all the way with me, all the way with me.
And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I do. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Please subscribe, like, share, and you know, all the good stuff. Show some love to your girl. And I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye. And I love you.